Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a major development shaking up the world of military technology. Iran has just pulled back the curtain on its brand new next-generation air defense system, and it's called Tondar, which means thunder in Persian. This isn't just another piece of hardware, it's a significant statement from Tehran about its evolving defense capabilities. So, what is the Tondar system, and why is it causing such a stir? At its core, Tondar is a short-range air defense system designed to protect critical assets from a variety of aerial threats. Think low-flying aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and especially the ever-growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. The system was officially unveiled during a ceremony attended by top Iranian military officials, including the Commander-in-Chief of the Army, Major General Abdul Rahim Musavi. This high-profile reveal wasn't just for show, it was a clear message to the world about Iran's commitment to self-reliance in defense manufacturing. The Tondar system is mounted on a highly mobile wheeled chassis. This mobility is a key feature, allowing it to be rapidly deployed and repositioned to create a dynamic and unpredictable defense network. You can't hit what you can't find, and the ability to move quickly is crucial for survival on the modern battlefield. The vehicle itself appears to be a locally produced all-terrain truck, reinforcing Iran's theme of domestic production and independence from foreign suppliers. This self-sufficiency has been a cornerstone of Iran's military doctrine for decades, born out of necessity due to international sanctions. Now, let's talk about the business end of the Tondar, the missiles. The system is equipped with surface-to-air missiles that are reportedly developments of existing Iranian designs. While specific details about the missile's range, speed, and guidance systems are still under wraps, Iranian officials have claimed it's a smart and agile weapon. The launcher configuration we've seen so far shows multiple missile canisters ready to fire, suggesting a capability to engage several targets in quick succession. This is vital for dealing with swarm attacks, where multiple drones or missiles approach a target simultaneously. The heart of any modern air defense system is its sensor and fire control suite. The Tondar is no different. On the vehicle, we can see what appears to be an integrated radar and electro-optical tracking system. The radar is likely a search and acquisition radar, constantly scanning the skies for potential threats. Once a target is detected, the electro-optical system, which probably includes a thermal camera and a daylight camera, can lock on and provide precise tracking information for the missile. This dual-mode sensor setup provides redundancy and makes the system harder to jam. For example, if an enemy uses electronic warfare to disrupt the radar, the Tondar can switch to its optical sensors to guide the missile to its target. This layered approach is a hallmark of effective air defense design. So where does the Tondar fit into Iran's broader air defense strategy? Iran has been building a multi-layered integrated air defense network for years. This network includes long-range systems like the Bavar 373, often compared to the Russian S-300, and medium-range systems like the Khordad-15. The Tondar fills a critical gap at the short range. Point defense level. Its job is to be the last line of defense for high-value targets like command centers, air bases, nuclear facilities, and industrial sites. It's designed to intercept threats that manage to slip past the longer-range systems. Think of it as the bodyguard that stands right next to the person it's protecting. The development of the Tondar is a direct response to the changing nature of aerial warfare. In recent conflicts around the world, we've seen the devastating impact of drones and low-flying cruise missiles. These threats are often small, fast, and fly at low altitudes, making them difficult for traditional long-range radars to detect. A mobile, short-range system like the Tondar is specifically optimized to counter these types of low and slow or fast-moving treetop-level threats. Its rapid deployment capability means it can pop up to protect advancing ground forces or temporarily secure a vulnerable area. This unveiling is also a powerful piece of strategic messaging. By showcasing its domestic defense industry, Iran is demonstrating its resilience in the face of international pressure and sanctions. The message is clear: we can build what we need to defend ourselves. This not only boosts national morale, but also serves as a deterrent to potential adversaries. It sends a signal that any military action against Iran would face a credible, homegrown defense network that is constantly being upgraded. It's a form of technological deterrence, showing that the cost of an attack would be high. Now, let's put this into a global context. How does the Tondar stack up against similar systems from other countries? It seems to fall into the same category as systems like Russia's Pantsir or France's Crotale NG. These are all mobile, short-range systems designed for point defense. While the exact performance specifications of the Tondar are unknown, its design philosophy is right in line with modern trends. The emphasis on mobility, integrated sensors, and countering drones and cruise missiles is precisely what the world's leading militaries are focusing on. Of course, there are always questions about the actual effectiveness of any new system until it's been tested in combat. Military analysts around the world will be scrutinizing the photos and videos from the unveiling, trying to piece together the Tondar's true capabilities. They'll be looking at the size of the radar antenna, the design of the missile fins, and the type of vehicle chassis to make educated guesses about its performance. But until it's deployed and we get more information, much of its capability remains a calculated assessment. The name Tondar, or thunder, is also very symbolic. It evokes a sense of sudden, powerful, and decisive action, which is exactly what a short-range air defense system is supposed to deliver. It's not about reaching out hundreds of kilometers. It's about delivering a thunderous blow to any threat that gets too close. This kind of naming convention is common in military hardware, designed to project an image of strength and invincibility. Looking ahead, we can expect to see the Tondar system integrated into Iran's regular military drills and exercises. These exercises will be crucial for training crews and refining tactics for its use. They will also be closely watched by international observers for clues about the system, its operational readiness and effectiveness. Iran will likely publicize these drills to further enhance the system's deterrent value. We might see videos of the Tondar successfully tracking and intercepting target drones, further bolstering its reputation. In summary, the reveal of the Tondar air defense system is a multifaceted event. On a technical level, it represents a logical and important step in the evolution of Iran's layered air defense network, specifically addressing the modern threats of drones and cruise missiles. On a strategic level, it's a powerful symbol of Iran's policy of self-reliance and a clear message of deterrence to its regional and global rivals. It showcases a growing sophistication in Iran's defense industry, which has managed to produce complex weapon systems despite being largely cut off from international markets. The age of asymmetric warfare is here, and systems like the Tondar are the tools of that trade. It proves that you don't necessarily need the most expensive, top-of-the-line technology to create an effective defense, but rather a smart, integrated, and adaptable strategy. The Tondar is a testament to that philosophy. As we get more information about this new system in the coming months and years, we'll continue to keep you updated. What do you think about this new development? Does the Tondar represent a real game changer for regional security, or is it more propaganda than power? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's a fascinating topic with a lot of different angles. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown informative, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of military technology and geopolitics. We'll see you in the next one.